Hey everyone, what's up? So today we are in Bloxsburg and we're just gonna give you guys a quick tour on this house. So we have our Bloxsburg TS right here. Okay, but guys, before we go in, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so when I upload a video, you guys can be there just to see it, because I'm pretty sure you guys wouldn't want to miss that banger. Period. Okay. So we open up the farm gate. Okay, and then as we come in here, guys, we have, oops, no, we have a power box. Okay, so we have our door. And over here we have a living room. It's pretty small, but we have a nice view of the world. Well, just the mountain. And then just one little tiny street light, as you guys can see that, okay. So we have a TV, a candy bowl, a book, a little picture, and a cactus, and a fireplace. And hello, Rufus. Guys, Rufus has moved to all of our houses. So, and then over here, guys, we have a kid's bedroom. We have a popcorn machine in here. Gosh, why does the popcorn look like that popcorn? But on this popcorn right here. Yeah. Don't it look like it has blue lines? Rufus is following me, guys. Rufus. Okay, guys. And then we have in bed with fairy lights, because my daughter actually likes fairy lights. We gotta put some cameras in here, because, guys, she can be really sneaky. Okay, guys, then over here, guys, we have, let's take some coffee. And then, guys, we have over here our kitchen. Guys, I don't like having both of these lights on. I like it like that. So, guys, we might just change it and keep it like that, because it's too bright. See? Okay, but otherwise, guys, we have this oven. Well, I forgot what it's called, but, and then we have a microwave and a counter, and toaster, blender, and Rufus, stop following me. If you come up here, guys, we have a shower and stuff, guys. So, okay, and then over here, guys, we have, like, a little place, I guess. Okay, guys, this is like a little place. And then we have TV. Unicorns. But that won't be her favorite show, so. And she will be really mad that I came into her room. Guys, Gordon Ramsay the one. Okay. Let's stop playing with her TV. Okay, and then, guys, we have a little thing. Guys, we have to buy her a computer. So. And then we have her bed. Oops, let me get out of her bed. She will flip. Guys, they're actually with her dad right now, so I have to go pick them up later. So, okay, but this is her room. Okay, guys, over here we have a miniature office, guys. And then over here, guys, we have a bedroom. Well, a fake bedroom. This is like, guys, a fake bedroom, because this is like for people who have time out or like they're grounded, so they would like they have to be alone. Guys, this was dumb. Why would I? What? What? Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm just stuck right now. Stuck. Oh, well, guys, we're now to. So, don't tell me I'm stuck again. And then they have the TV. And then, yeah, that's my office. And then, guys, over here we actually have, guys, somebody's literally staying on the top of my house. Where's he going? I just kick her out because I don't know what in the world she's going. Oh, there she goes. No, she's all the way over there. Hopefully you won't see her no more. Okay, guys, and then we have, like, my master bedroom. Guys, we have to put a TV in there because you guys know the master suite should always have one. Like, did you guys see all the kids who... Guys, they're at my house again. Young lady, I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to stop that. Hold on. Ah, where is she? Where is she going? Hold on, let's zoom out a little bit more. Okay, guys, I think she's gone.
Enjoying some fresh air. For that, YouTube Premium has background play, so you can listen to music while you're
so then over here, guys, we have the baby room with a TV. So, guys, at least the baby room has a kitchen, not a kitchen. The thing. And then we have a changing table, 3 little bears, and then a lamp. We have their cribs. Another lamp, another crib, a baby high chair. We have a place where they can play with their toys. And then over here, guys, we actually have the bath. Okay. Guys, why are they so dark? Just keep myself out of it. So, guys, I don't have to, like, be like that, so. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go. Okay, guys, let's go. Oh, guys, they're calling me off my cell phone. Hello? Yeah. You want me to? I can come. What? Your dad got into an argument with someone? Okay, I'm on my way. Tell him he better bring some food for you guys or feed you guys before I come pick you guys up from his house. Make sure he's at his house by the time I'm there. If not, he will be getting in trouble and you won't be seeing your father for a while. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, so obviously the dad, he got into an argument with someone. Great. Guys, that is actually not great. That is actually terrible, guys, because my kids, they're literally, like, in the back seat, guys. We might need some more coffee. Oh, gosh, guys. This is terrible. Let's hurry up and eat, guys, because I know it might take them a while to get home. Because that's the reason why I broke up with him. Because he kept arguing with people, and I didn't think that was nice. And I didn't want, like, people to think that that one girlfriend that's like that. So yeah. So I broke up with him, and then because he cheated, so. And I thought cheating was not good for him, so that's what you get for cheating. Face the consequences, son. Okay, guys, I actually still know this. Let's turn off all these lights. Well, let's cut off all the lights before we go pick them up. Guys, I have too many lights. I really need to come back on lights. Guys, oh no, too many lights. Okay, let's go back. Wait. Okay, guys. We're coming upstairs. Guys, my whole house would be dark if I thought that. Guys, it don't look too dark. Okay, guys. So, we're just gonna sit down and eat my food. Now, well, let's actually turn on the TV. Guys, I am not happy, guys. I don't know why he would do this. Especially the fact that he's having, like, my kids over there. Guys, somebody just knocked on my door, and I'm, like, really angry right now. So. Can we roleplay? I'm just gonna say shoutout over my feelings. Sure. Thank you. Oh, honey, you're welcome. Yeah, for sure. You're welcome. That's what we're doing. Guys. So, guys, my name is Sure. Okay. Guys, let's call them back. Rings. Honey, yeah, tell your father that I won't be there, so he's gonna have to be there for a while, so. Okay, let's actually turn on the thing, guys. She actually don't have a mom, so. Is she following me? Here. She can stay in there. I'm gonna get out. Guys, speaking of shower, guys, let me shower up very quickly, guys, because I'm pretty dirty, and I just need to shower. Because it's nasty that too. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. So, oops, she said nice home. Thank you. Oops. Okay, let's shower up. Excuse me, guys. Just burped. Okay, let's get out the shower. Okay, guys, so she's actually done. So I'm gonna go up there and ask her, is she hungry? Guys, I know she's downstairs. You guys, please help them. I can ask her. Choose the room. Guys, the only thing is that, guys, I don't have dressers. Pick one. Okay, guys, so not this one. Not this one. Just the teeny one. No, sorry. Can buy one real quick. Guys, she just left the game. That's cool. So now, let's actually call him back and tell them that he needs to, like, really bring my kids back home. So guys, we're just gonna go head over to his house. So, because guys, this mess is terrible. Let's actually look for his house really quickly. That's not it. That's not it. Especially because he would not be in good mood, guys. It's so funny because all these people are getting out. Yes. Oh, guys, this is not his house. Guys, I forgot. He was. Guys, he been moving so very much. So it's gonna like kind of be hard for him, guys. When we stop there, guys, we're gonna go.